card type honeycomb installation machine. This machine has two major highlights. First, product and two-sided printing benchmark. Second, Z-type punch. The outstanding advantage of the Z-type punch, even if the product is repeatedly twisted, it will not leak or break, making it safer to carry and transport. We looked through a New Zealand user factory acceptance video to understand the operation of the equipment. The machine is filled in ceramic jars. The filling has no bubbles, and the filling rate is 100%. This machine has two sets of benchmarking devices. Both front and back can be benchmarked. This is the benchmark on the soft film. This is a benchmark on the drawer. The front and back printing text patterns on both sides can make the appearance more classic and high-end. After the calibration is completed, the machine starts to enter the incision station. This machine adopts the same C-cut design as Italy. This is one of the key components of this machine. Most of these machines do it all at once. It's no longer elastic. And this machine adopts Z-type punch, which is only broken and discharged at the After breaking, it can be squeezed repeatedly. When breaking, there is a crisp click sound to remind the customer that it has been broken, which is easy to use and decompress. Bring a good user experience. The machine runs smoothly and quickly. Let's measure the running speed of the machine. Mobile phone same frame timing. It ran 35 times a minute, 4 times each time, for a total of 140 times. Production capacity per hour 8,400. This machine is a vertical operation, without top barrel, 1.85 meters high, 2.5 meters long, 1.3 meters deep. The weight of the whole machine is about 1,500 kilograms. The barrel volume of 50 liters can also be equipped with an automatic feeder. Machine configuration for head ceramic piston pump. Friendly reminder, honeycomb packaging is very similar to the packaging appearance and use of cosmetics, but there's a big difference. Cosmetics are obviously raised and formed, and the machine forms the soft film first and then fills it. Vertical closed packaging machine, no forming station, only rely on internal material extrusion to create voids. Therefore, the production of cosmetics requires the use of flat panel equipment with forming and dotted line stations.